What's up, everybody? It's Brett Moffitt, driver of the number 16 Toyota Tundra in the Camping World Truck Series. And today I'm going to show you inside our hauler. It's our home away from home. I'll show you where all the work gets done and how these race trucks get to the track. Welcome inside. First of all, we have all of our crew guys' lockers where they can put all their personal stuff. Next up, I would say a pretty hot spot is the radio cabinet here. We have radios for all the crew, over-the-wall guys, and the guys in the garage. We have all the over-the-wall uniforms, so all the guys that you see doing pit stops or, unfortunately, sometimes repairs to our Tundra, this is where they all get suited up, and they got all their uniforms here. We got the good stuff. We got what makes these race cars go fast, and that's our Sunoco fuel cans that you see used on the pit stops. These cans are engineered to dump that Sunoco fuel inside of our truck as quickly as possible, and that's what gives us the horsepower to win these races. We can go up into the driver's quarters and where the crew chief and engineer hangs out. And in here we got all my race gear, my personal stuff, my backpack, my fire suits. And this is where I come to relax and get ready for the race. Well guys, that's it. You've seen the inside of this number 16 Toyota Tundra hauler. And this is where we spend many hours on the road, 23, 24 weeks a year. So thank you for stopping by. Glad to show you around and enjoy the racing.